Windows Clean Boot Tutorial Step-by-Step Guide for Beginners. Performing a clean boot in Windows can help diagnose and troubleshoot software conflicts, system slowdowns, and other issues that may arise. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to perform a clean boot in Windows. Number 1. Open System Configuration. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type msconfig without quotes and press Enter. This will open the System Configuration window. Number 2. Access System Configuration. In the System Configuration window, navigate to the General tab. Number 3. Selective Startup. Under the General tab, locate the Selective Startup section. Uncheck the box next to Load Startup Items. This will prevent most startup programs and services from running during the boot process. Number 4. Load System Services. Check the box next to Load System Services. This ensures that essential Windows services are still loaded during the boot process. Number 5. Hide Microsoft Services. Click on the Services tab at the top of the System Configuration window. Check the box labeled Hide All Microsoft Services located near the bottom left corner of the window. This will hide all Microsoft services, preventing them from being disabled. Number 6. Disable non-Microsoft services. After hiding Microsoft services, you will see a list of third-party services. Uncheck the box next to each of these services to disable them temporarily. Be cautious and only disable services from third-party applications that you are familiar with. Disabling critical services can potentially cause system instability. Number 7. Apply changes. Once you have unchecked the necessary boxes to disable startup items and non-Microsoft services, click on the Apply button. Number 8. Restart your computer. After applying the changes, click OK to close the System Configuration window. Windows will prompt you to restart your computer. Click Restart to initiate the clean boot process. Number 9. Diagnostic Phase. Upon restarting, Windows will now boot with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs. Check if the issue you were experiencing persists. Since unnecessary startup programs and third-party services are disabled, this can help identify if one of these elements was causing the problem. Number 10. Reverting to normal boot. If you need to revert to your normal boot configuration, simply open System Configuration again. Using the same steps as in Step 1 and 2, go to the General tab and select Normal Startup. Number 11. Restart your computer. After selecting Normal Startup, click on Apply and then OK to save the changes. Restart your computer to return to the normal boot configuration. Performing a clean boot in Windows can be an effective troubleshooting step, helping you isolate software-related issues and conflicts. However, remember to re-enable necessary services and startup programs after diagnosing the problem to ensure your system functions as expected. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Have a suggestion for future videos or topics? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and stay awesome.